For centuries, boiling an egg seems to be one of the simplest tasks in the kitchen. However, getting the perfect texture in the yolk without the clear gelatinous remains a real challenge. Thanks to a research by the FoamLab of the University of Naples, Federico II, this culinary enigma could be solved. Before we dive into the details of this innovative method, I invite you to subscribe to our channel and give like to this video, so you can be aware of more amazing discoveries in the world of science and cooking. The study, published in Communications Engineering, is born in a laboratory and not in a kitchen. A team of scientists decided to address one of the most common dilemmas of home cooking: how to cook an egg with a firm white and a creamy yolk without opening the shell. The solution they found is known as periodic cooking. This method consists of submerging a raw egg in boiling water and warm water in cycles of 2 minutes for 32 minutes. The result is a boiled egg with a firm white and a yolk with a silky texture. The key to success is that the light and yolk behave differently in the face of heat. The light needs a temperature of 85 degrees Celsius to coagulate, while the yolk reaches its optimum point around 65 degrees Celsius. This knowledge is essential to achieve the perfect balance in cooking. Some chefs have tried to solve this dilemma by cooking the two parts separately. However, this technique is not feasible for domestic cooking. Neapolitan researchers decided to simulate the journey of heat inside the egg and play with thermal cycles to achieve the desired result. Before testing the method in the kitchen, researchers built a mathematical model based on heat transfer equations. They used computer simulations to predict how temperatures inside the egg would evolve during the cooking process. The practical procedure is simple. The egg is inserted into water at 100 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes, then moved to water at 30 degrees Celsius for another 2 minutes. This cycle is repeated 8 times. At the end, it cools with running water, peels, and is served. Laboratory tests validated the result, comparing cooked eggs with this method against traditional boils and other methods. Periodic cooking surpassed all in texture, flavor, and nutritional properties. The eggs cooked with this method preserve better their nutritional properties, presenting a higher concentration of essential polyphenols and amino acids. The white is firm and creamy yolk, achieving a perfect balance. This discovery does not seek to reinvent the kitchen, but to demonstrate how scientific knowledge can improve everyday life. Cooking an egg may seem trivial, but it requires understanding complex physical and chemical phenomena. Although the process requires time and attention, this finding could change the way we cook such a common food. Perfecting the ordinary can be a delicious way to make science useful.